In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the name of a label in Gmail. It's a simple process that can help keep your email organized and your workflow optimized. Whether you're managing multiple projects or just trying to keep your personal emails tidy, renaming labels to fit your needs can make a significant difference. First, you'll want to open up your Gmail account. Once you're logged in and you see your inbox, direct your attention to the left sidebar where your labels are located. These labels might appear as folders, and they help categorize your emails for easier access. Take a moment to scroll through and identify the label whose name you wish to change. Now hover your mouse over the label. You'll notice three vertical dots appear to the right of the label name. This icon is what we'll call the More Options menu. Clicking on these three dots will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From that drop-down, select the Edit option. This action takes you straight to the label settings, allowing you to customize the label to your liking. You should now see a form where you can edit the name of the label. Think about how you want to rename your label. Choose a name that suits its contents or purpose. For instance, if you're renaming a label for work-related emails, you might want to name it after a specific project or client. Be sure that the name is clear and easy to identify among your other labels. Once you've decided on the new name, simply delete the old name by either backspacing or highlighting it and typing over it with the new label name. Always double check your spelling and ensure that the name accurately reflects the label's contents. Finally, to save your changes, you'll need to click the Save button at the bottom of the form. This will apply the new name to the label and update it in your sidebar. Remember that this change will be reflected across all devices linked to your account, so you can enjoy a more organized email experience wherever you access Gmail. There you have it. Your label now has a new name, making it much easier for you to manage your emails effectively. It's just a small tweak, but these little adjustments can greatly enhance the efficiency of how you navigate your inbox. Keep experimenting with label names until you find a system that suits your organization style. Thanks for tuning in, and happy emailing.